Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I wanted to share some of my favorite Indian brands and their products that I use almost every single day. Now these are mostly lifestyle products and I wanted to introduce you to some of them because I know a lot of us are in the lookout for Indian brands right now and we want to invest in our own economy given what the situation is like right now, and I really hope that this video helps you out. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. The first brand is called Ace Blend and they make plant-based protein powder, and this was suggested to me by my trainer and I'm so glad I went ahead and tried it because I absolutely love it. I decided to try two flavors. The first one is raw chocolate and the other one is vanilla, and I love the fact that it comes in sachets. You know, that makes it so convenient to travel with. Traditionally, I've always seen protein powders like come in huge big containers and jars, and that makes it really hard to travel with and it just becomes really messy. So a sachet is very convenient. You have 18 grams of protein per packet and it does not have any whey, it does not have any soy protein, and it does not have any added sugar as well. There is stevia in it, so there is a little bit of sweetness to it but not too much, and it does not really taste bland at all. I think the chocolate actually tastes like Complan or Milo, and the vanilla one is something that I prefer because it's much more subtler. There's not really a lot of flavor going on, and it's also very easy to blend, and I drink it every day after my workout. The next brand is also a supplement. It's from this brand called Wellbeing Nutrition, and one of the products from them that I use a lot is Daily Greens. I think this is a great way to add fiber and veggies to your diet. I can be terrible when it comes to adding fiber into my diet, and I don't really make a lot of veggies on an everyday basis, and it's also very difficult for me to get fresh veggies right now because we're all in a lockdown. So I think this is a great way to kind of add it into your diet, and I love how easy and convenient it is. So it comes in the form of a tablet that you just pour into a glass of water and it starts fizzing, which is actually quite nice to look at, and you just wait for like 2 or 3 minutes and it's completely dissolved, and then you just go ahead and gulp it down. It does not really taste of anything. It does not really taste like or smell like vegetables, and it's got this mild salty taste, and that's it. You can just feel the fizz in your mouth, and I usually gulp it out very quickly, so I don't really taste anything. And I think I showed this in my day in my life video as well, so you can go watch that video and see how and when I like to drink it. The next brand is called Rumi Earth, and they make natural yoga products like yoga mats, yoga accessories, and water bottles. And when I was brainstorming about the brands and the products that I use every single day, I suddenly looked at my yoga mat and I was like, oh my god, I don't even pay attention to it, but it's something that I use every single day. It's one of the best investments I've ever made. I love how good the quality is. The fiber or the material that they have used to make this is so good. I've been using this for like 1.5 years now. I have used this every single day and I have washed it in the washing machine almost every week or every other week, and the quality has remained the same. I love the grip that it has, and that's something that I don't find very often in terms of mats, and it just has a really nice anti-slip grip, and it makes it much more easier to get into my poses and do lots of different kind of exercises. The next brand is called Cai, and they make shoes, and they are one of my favorite brands when it comes to buying flats, and I own 3 pairs of flats from them and I love all 3 of them, and I've used them quite a lot. The first pair that I've worn a lot is this one. It has a clear strap with silver stud on it, and it just looks good with everything, any outfit, Indian, Western, and I just wear it to just step out of my house to run errands, or I even wore it a lot when I was traveling. And then I also love this one. The color is just so beautiful. It's tan with golden studs on it, and I love the geometric pattern, and again this just goes well with everything. everything, and it's actually really comfortable to wear as well. And last but not the least is this one. This one's my favorite. It's this beautiful pastel light blue flat with studs on it, and it's just beautiful. And this is their signature design, and you can get this in a lot of different colors, and I think it just looks good with a lot of different options. If you are someone who wears flats a lot to work, to college, then I think this is a great brand to check out, because I love how affordable all of their prices are, and there are a lot of different designs to choose from. Last but not the least, this brand actually does not need any introduction, and it's not something that is unheard of. The brand is Westside, but I'm talking about their home section. I don't think a lot of us talk about the home section or know if Westside has a home section. I love their home section, and I have picked up so many key pieces from there, and I don't know if all of the cities have them, but in Mumbai most of the Westsides have a home section, and they're all so affordably priced. I love their kitchen section, I love their storage section, and I picked up a lot of really nice planters. I picked up some wicker baskets which are great for storage, and this laundry box which is so convenient and it looks really nice in my space. I also love this mirror, and I think it's convenient. Again, you can store things in it. And one of my favorite things from them is my night lamp. I love this geometrical design, the color, the shape, everything. It's just so nice. And if you are looking forward to revamping your house once we're out of this, then Westside Home is a great brand to check out. So those were all of the brands and products that I wanted to give a huge shout out to, because I use them quite a lot. I would love for you guys to share your favorite Indian brands and lifestyle products that you use and swear by in the comments down below. I'm sure a lot of us are in the lookout for them, and it'll help us all. And thank you so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!